What's up guys, these sides here back with another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a dead tree scenery. And then first step, hop on Google Slides, as I already am. And for this video we'll be using remove.bg, which is like you input an image and it makes it into a PNG, which is pretty cool. So, now that you have the file, or a blank Google Slides, go to File, Page Setup, it should say like widescreen. Hit custom, and I'm going like 9 by 12. Get a nice rectangle. Now, first step is we just want to create a square. Just put that down, and in the fill tool gradient, we're going to create a custom gradient. So one end is going to be white. Then we're going to add one that has orange, and the other end is going to be red, or something like this. Yeah, so move the orange, pretty close to that. Where it says type, we're gonna change it from linear to radial, and just expand it. Some looks like this. Once we got that, we're just gonna massively scale this up so it covers the entire screen, and we want this in like kind of like this area. You can't really see like what's on screen and what's not. You can always just look in the slide. It'll show you. We'll scale this down a bit, and that's good. Okay, next step we're going to do is go to curve tool, and we're just going to kind of create a little edge that our dead tree is going to be on. This would be kind of like a cliff, so you can just mess around with that. Oh yeah, one thing we can do is just go to blank side and use the line tool, and then just kind of go in all four corners using the line. Like start in one corner, go to the other corner, and right hold shift while you're doing it, and makes it a straight line. And once we got all four, you can just select all of them. Right click, group, and change the border, and then you can mess around with settings. Bring this back on here just to show you like where exactly everything is. So now I know that the edge is right here, and I can just make that accordingly and kind of make a cool little cliff thing. We're going to make the cliff black. Go to Google, just look up grass PNG, and it should be one of the first ones to build. I like this one. Yeah, it's a PNG, and just paste that down, and just fill the top part of our little cliff up with the grass. You should only need like 2 or 3 of these to fill up the entire thing. Once you got them, select both, form options, adjustments, and turn the brightness down to 0, and we can group all 3 of this. And if you notice anything like that, just like double click on it and then hold shift and the arrow keys like shift down just to move it into position. And now there's nothing, like that before. Yeah. Okay. Last step is just look up like curvy dead tree. Find something you like. I kind of like this one. And you can keep looking, like some other ones. Well, actually, I like this one the best, just because of how curvy it, it curves. I'm just gonna, so if you click on it and drag this up into the remove image, you can just put that there, and it removes the PNGs, as you can see. I was testing out before the video. Anyway, now that I have this, I can just copy and paste this onto the slide. I'm gonna right click, rotate horizontally. The curvy part, like this area, should be over there, so just come place that down on the grass. Go way up. I know it's a bit too big, and you can just mess around with it. I want it like this, but notice there's a problem. This little part is jutting out. So we're just gonna crop that, and crop it like that. And that is how you can make a cool dead tree and sunset scene in Google Slides. Bye guys, these slides out.